chuig do ceacht Gaeilge aniu an cédín agus tá sé an seachtú lá de bhí fiara agus tá sé an lá dearnach den seachtain. It's the last day of the week of work. So we're just doing a little assessment in the Irish book. So there's a couple of different activities I want you to complete today. So the first thing is on page Céad Tríocha is a Hocht, and you're ag léamh an scéal ag immert kisfella, cos tá na páistí an seo sa fictúr ag immert kisfella. So caiith tú an scéal a léamh, you have to read the story, and freagar na ceisna faoin scéal. I will read the story for you, Nish. I will read out the questions so you understand them, but I won't be giving any hints as to where to find the answers or anything like that. It's up to you to come up with the structure of the answer. Remembering that a lot of the times in Irish, most of the answer sentence or structure is in the question. For example, Cod is anam ditch. What is your name? Miss Cregan is anam dum. So is anam, you get a lot of it in the question. So the scale is ag immert kisfella. Tá an sim ag samar sa kisfel. Tain sé ag immert kisfella e chala na scoile an sahran. Bíonn sé ag súil go mór leis. Tain a ghrifuair go dtí chala na scoile in éanacht leis. Is bráil léithí bheith ag immert kisfella freisin. Tain siad go dtí chala na scoile an sahran a ruthair. Tosíonn siad ag immert kisfella a de a chlog maidin. Tá samar aus fad ag an gisfel. Is é an captain. Tatníonn kisfel go mór leis. Búlann sé lena cháirde go léir I chala na scoile an sahran. Uaireanta, bíonn an iarrainn ó scoil aine ag immert I gcóine páistí ó scoileanna eile. So the shlucht omlán, this whole paragraph is about Samar, the basketball, how he likes it, how he goes with his sister on a Saturday, and so on. I won't explain it completely because, again, it's a little bit of an assessment just for the end of the Cathhaimsere chapters. If you look back throughout your chapters, these phrases are definitely there. So to be exúil go mór for something, to be exúil go mór. In éanacht, that was in the Laurelin chapter. Who do you go in éanacht le? We had, is bra léhi ve or is bra lum ve. We had on sim, the word on sim before. Uaireanta, sometimes we had that one. Tatníonn, whatever it is, go mór. Lum yat leis. Captain, we know that. So it's just basically going back over different phrases and words that we've learned in the Cathhaimsere chapter. So you can certainly go back and look over that stuff before you answer the questions. So, seo iad na ceistena. Iver hain, an bhfuil sim ag samar sa kisfel? Does he have a sim in basketball? Cá míon an kisfel siúl? Cá míon an kisfel siúl? So where? Siúl, happening. Cahan a míon an kisfel siúl? When? Cahan. Iver cahar. An bhfuil samar go maith ag an gisfel? Sorry, it's kind of, so is he good at basketball? Yeah. An bhfuil samar go maith ag an gisfel. Cé hé an captain? So who's the captain? Iver sé. An datníonn kisfel le samar? Does he like? An déan a ghrifuair in éanacht le samar go dtí an chala na scoile, his sister. In éanacht le samar go dtí chala na scoile. Tain nó ní hain. Iver hocht an déan róisín in éanacht le samar go dtí chala na scoile. So does she go? An míon a cháirde ag immert kisfella I chala na scoile an sahran freisin, so as well, his friends. Are they ag immert kisfella I chala na scoile an sahran as well? And iver de an míon an iarrainn ó scoileanne, the team ó scoileanne, ag immert kisfella I gcóine páistí ó scoileanna eile. Do they play against other teams? agonia, against. So that's, you're going to lay on scale and fragan na keshna I the choplower. Send me the pictures, please, so I can correct it. And then on the next page, you have the following. You don't have to do the brihra, okay? I'm going to focus on the irregular verbs next week. We're going to start looking at them in detail from next week on. So you don't have this in your assessment. You do have this. We're looking at the révocal le, and when it comes with the word may, it becomes lum. Le plus 2 becomes lat. Le and she becomes lesh. Le agus she, lehi. Le agus shin, like we, becomes lin, with us. Le agus shiv, live. That's like ye. And le agus shiad, leo, like with them. So it's with me, with you, with him, with her, with us, with ye, and with them. The only other thing to remember is that if the le is coming before a name, okay, even if they're colini, you don't say in English she, Neve, likes. So the le is not coming before she. So you just do the le on its own. So if it's a name so if a name is following le, you just leave it as le. It's only if it's like these ones here, le and two together. What's that going to be? They've Rory's name in here, but you would be saying him in the sentence, so it's le and she. Roisin, le agus she. Shiv, shin. Napashti, what would they be talking about if it's a group of children? Would it be us, ye, them? Bukali and Colini. So that's the only thing. So the ones with red beside them, you're going to have to look at our vlog on Fuyungan. You're going to look at the penguin's belly for your answers for the Keen Shaw. And then if we're hain agus do, because the le is coming just before a name, you leave it as le. So you're going to fragger on Rudshaw, and then you're going to just write into your copy which word you choose as the word that means the same as the picture. So if we're hain, is this a fawnlog, a fadog, or a funyog? If we're do, a lowerlin, a picturlin, or a beelin? So you write the word, so in your copy you'll write 2 and then pick the one you think it is. If we're 3, is that a Kjarnog, a Kjerkul, or a Trinton? If we're Cahar, so look, fake Aaron Lirod, tá sé ag dul haar on Trasnon. So is it a cool, a cooline, or a come on? Now, on Rud, sure, okay, the thing that the ball goes into, is that a Trasnon, a Leon, or a Ladog? On Dinna sure, Bodor, Pelador, or Rator. Then we've got on Lirod Igdul Isteach Silian. So is it a cool, cooling, no Kjerkul? If we're hooked, Cain sport atá Samara gimmert. Ladog, Etfel, no Kishvel. Agus on Rod Shaw is this Laurelin, Linsnava, no Beelin. So that is your little, we'll say, assessment for the end of this chapter. You're going to read the story about Samar and Fragar na Keshna. You're going to lean the Barney here to remember that the phrase isma always goes with lom, lia, lat, lesh, lehi, lin, liv, lio, unless a name is coming before it. Isma le Sean, isma le Tom, isma le Mary, isma le Neve. It's only then if it's, me or you or her or we, like isma lum, isma lio, they like it for the phrase, but isma always goes with le. Sin é a fáistí le haid an Gaeilge, tásúla gom nach meid sé roiachar agus I will see you during the Zoom anyway, so best of luck.